put up the picture?
Oh, I know what I'm doing, Peppa.
Don't break the wall, Daddy.
Don't worry, Peppa. After all, I am a qualified structural engineer.
Daddy Pig is handy as we all can see, hanging up a picture of the family. He taps with his hammer so expertly. Daddy Pig's a bit of an expert, he surely cannot miss. He's a bit of an expert.
Let me handle this.
Daddy Pig's a bit of an expert, no job too small or big. He's a bit of an expert, just all for Daddy Pig.
What does everyone fancy for lunch today?
Can we have pizza, please? Pizza, pizza.
Oh, I'm a bit of an expert at making pizza.
Daddy Pig is handy as we all can see, cooking in the kitchen with the family. He spins a pizza expertly.
What's this? Blah!
Daddy has a pizza on his head.
Daddy Pig's a bit of an expert, he surely cannot miss. He's a bit of an expert.
Let me handle this.
Daddy Pig's a bit of an expert, no job too small or big. He's a bit of an expert, just all for Daddy Pig. Daddy Pig is so smart, he's a qualified engineer. With a plan from the start, give a cheer 'cause he is here. Hooray!
Now we need a car to drive to our holiday house.
We're going on holiday.
Daddy Pig is handy as we all can see, driving in the country with the family. He checks the map so expertly.
Daddy, we don't want to get lost.
Don't worry, Peppa. I'm an expert at map reading. Oh, that's strange.
Are we lost?
Yes.
Daddy Pig's a bit of an expert, he surely cannot miss. He's a bit of an expert.
Let me handle